year, Beyond the Border Storytelling Festival is celebrating its 30th anniversary.
The festival is happening here, at Dinefwr in Carmarthenshire in West Wales. This beautiful place is home to many legends and stories.
It is a place where a wonderfully rich history soaks into the soil itself.
It includes a ruined castle with spectacular views.
And it includes spaces like this.
Like this.
Like this.
The surroundings, the mood, the vibe, little bits of the landscape just speak the story that you're telling.
You're going to all leave with a power pack of gobaith, that's the Welsh word for hope. You're going to leave with your hope pack on your back to normal life, and you just plug in and go, come on, I've got it.
You're trying to take that fire, that campfire in the wild, and show hundreds of people, this is the campfire that I'm sat in, and you're welcome. And Dinefwr, it's the wild place.